My name is Ariel Conti. I'm the Stewardship Manager at Rock Creek Conservancy. We are an organization that exists to restore Rock Creek and its parklands. So invasive species are one of the biggest issues facing our forest and parklands in Washington, D.C. These are spaces that we not only use for recreation and enjoyment, but also are home to lots of other creatures and critters, home to our plant communities. And so when invasive species come in, they start to take over. One of the biggest problems we see with invasives is vines and what we call arborized ivy. What happens is vines will crawl up trees and they'll basically destabilize them, make them really weak, and then when we have big rainstorms or big windstorms, those trees will fall down. We are losing trees rapidly because of invasive species. Those trees provide tons of benefits to the city, so carbon storage and sequestration, air pollution reduction, and stormwater filtration.
I am a volunteer for Arlington County Parks, and my main volunteer activity is invasive plant management. One of the most important things is for people who own properties to understand the impacts of their landscape plantings. Some of the most popular landscape plants over the last few decades have turned out to be nightmarishly invasive in our remaining natural areas.
We have English ivy, oriental bittersweet, porcelain berry, kudzu. Those are all vines that will take over trees.
We created the Remove Invasive Plants, the RIP program in Arlington. And over time, we've had hundreds of volunteers. A lot of them were one-timers, but I call it a moderate-scale volunteer effort, and we've just made tremendous progress.